Welcome back. Dow had a sharp fall yesterday, 800 points plus. Now there are questions, so many viewers are sending me that is this the beginning of a major correction or was this just a one-day event? Even if we find the markets rebound, and I will come back to my predictions shortly, the severity of the fall has left a heavy dent with Nasdaq and top names falling so badly, and there are questions that have we reached the end of the rally? Is it much more to come? I will be discussing all this in due course. I'm also happy to announce that from tomorrow we'll be having a weekend program. There has been a request from so many viewers that, sir, you are having Monday to Friday but nothing on Saturday, Sunday. So Saturday, Sunday for 3 weeks, 2 weeks and 3 weeks, I'm giving two programs starting from tomorrow. And this will be just 45 minutes to an hour each session. So 2 sessions each week, just Saturday and Sunday, next Saturday, Sunday, third week, Saturday, Sunday. You can just WhatsApp me on 982-086-1044. It is all for these working people who are unable to attend my weekday evening classes. They are saying, sir, we come very late and then we are very tired. So we are starting from tomorrow, just a weekend class. This will be entirely, I will be doing this. I'll be also covering whether this market rally has more steam, what more can be expected. All this I will be discussing in this. You can join either the 2-week program or the 3 weeks program, entirely your choice. Topics are the same: market outlook, good stocks, futures options, and predictive techniques. All this can be discussed. Of course, we will have very good market situations also I will discuss, but either 2 weeks or 3 weeks you can WhatsApp me. Again, the number is 982-086-1044. Those who have not yet subscribed to my channel also, please feel free. We would like to reach as many people as possible. The way I see the markets today is requires sense of caution for many reasons. The fall in the Dow and the Nasdaq was not ordinary. S&P 500 also, these were pretty steep falls. 4% plus cut is not an ordinary thing. Whether this is a precursor of more falls ahead in the next week and beyond, we'll be discussing in this Art of Investing program that I'm starting tomorrow. So you can join that. We'll be discussing it over there. And also, this is something which is going to be the most interesting part of this program, because there are many benchmarks that I have to talk about, my judgment call and all that. Today, especially be careful about, I would say 10:20 to 10:35, in that time range, you can see another fall coming in. It is another day where you will see. Now, before I give my forecast for today, give my humble submission, with all, after taking consent of all of you in the group and with my folded hands, do remember this is only my analysis. It's a little complex day today. Please do your own analysis before investing your hard-earned money. I think that the complexion of the market is such that we may see a week early, maybe 1.5 hours. So up to about 10:35, you can expect negativity in the markets. Particularly the session from 10:20 to 10:35, you could see a fall, steep fall. Don't go out of the way in creating too many positions today. Be careful. But although there are people who think that there is a lot more fall, but if I restrict my forecast to today, I see that, however, from 10:35 onwards, you may see some rebounds taking place in the market. Yet, although, so there will be a division, the market up to 10:35 and the market beyond 10:35 today. Yet, even after, in the second half also, that is the 10:35 post also, you could see some series of falls still take place, and this can also come and unnerve the markets from time to time. So you can, for example, expect a fall 11:45 to 12, 1:45 to 2. You can also see something between 2:10 to 20, and particularly I would say 2:30 to 2:45 could be also very hazardous and negative. So various time periods I have mentioned in the second half also. You have to be rather cautious in those periods. Okay, so it's 11:45 to 12, 1:45 to 2, and then I have given you something like 2:10 to 2:20, 2:35 to 2:45, 2:30 to 2:45. There also be cautious. But in general, my personal perception for today is that the markets, after about 1.5 hours of trading, should rebound today, barring these corrections, which will be very steep. So if you were to ask me that will this Nifty close much higher, well, the positivity will enter, but because of these corrections, 3-4 that I have so many times I've given you, from time to time there will be heavy knocks that the Nifty and the Sensex will get from time to time, and because of it, Nifty will find it rather difficult to climb just because of this reason. Okay, so this is my forecast for today. It's to the best of my knowledge. Again, I've tried my best to give you this analysis, and try to tread rather carefully today because of the reasons that I just mentioned. It's a little complex day, but the very negative tone that SGX Nifty is indicating early in the morning may reduce after about an hour and a half. So 10:35 onwards, you may see some positivity. Positivity does not mean that everything will become positive, meaning there will be retracement, rebound after that. Better times after about 10:35. Now, a lot of people, keep writing to me, sir, are you using the Gantt method? Are you using Fibonacci, RSI, so many? They're indirectly trying to find many methods. Don't ask me indirectly. If you want to ask directly. We have an Art of Investing program. Just join it. Try and address it. It's not expensive. It is a very simple program. Just trying to, some data costs we try to take from people. If you feel like we can do that, but don't just beat around the bush and just this, that. Doesn't look good. So enjoy the day, and be very careful of many bouts of selling which may happen, and session before 10:35 remains weak. Thank you. Happy investing. Bye bye.